Ever wonder what it'd be like to live in a world run by AI? Picture this. I stroll down a buzzing market, but instead of human shopkeepers, sleek robots greet me with perfect recall of my favorite snacks. I point to the shelf, and in seconds, a drone zips over, gently dropping my groceries into my bag. It's not just convenience, it feels like magic. No more standing in line, no awkward small talk, and everything just works. I spend less time doing chores and more time doing what I love, hanging with friends, learning new skills, or just soaking up the sun. So when the AI news reporter swoops in, yep, not a person, but a digital avatar, and asks, "How does this make you feel?" Well, honestly, I say euphoric. There's this crazy freedom in knowing the world runs smoother than ever. Worries about mistakes or miscommunication, almost gone. But hey, it's not all perfect. Sometimes I miss those little imperfections, like a shopkeeper's smile or a friendly chat in the checkout line. Yet I can't deny the sheer thrill of living in a world where AI handles the hard stuff and I get to focus on being human. So, would I trade it back? Honestly, I think I'm still figuring that out. But right now, living in AI euphoria feels like the future I never knew I needed.